Hi, I'm Sarah Key. Here we are again. Lecture 2 on your little mini series of webinars, how a healthy spine works and how it starts to go wrong, and at the end of all this, what you can do about it, which is the most important thing of all. Understanding is everything. In fact, I say as a subtitle of my most popular book, The Back Sufferer's Bible, that understanding is really half the cure. It really is half the cure. And the good news is that the metabolic rate of discs, as we know from our first lecture, is very slow, which is good and bad. The good part of that about your condition is that it takes a long time for things to start going from just slightly wrong to getting more and more serious. That doesn't happen quickly. So there's lots of time for you to step in and make changes, particularly in the early stages. A lot of you will have read my books, and I talk in The Back Sufferer's Bible about these 5 stages of a spinal breakdown, how conditions start off more commonplace and more simple and more easily reversed up here in stage 1, and progressively become more and more complex, less common, but more complex, harder to deal with. Right down this end of things after stage 5, or even in stage 4 with prolapsed intervertebral disc. This is where the surgery happens, and I really want to avoid that for you. So the good news is that there's lots that can be done in stage 1, what we call a stiff spinal segment, but there's more that can be done even before you start to have pain as an everyday occurrence in an everyday way. So let's get into it. Let's start, because what I want to point out to you is the mechanisms that come in that start your back being uncomfortable and thereafter starting to break down. So here we go.